Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your biodata from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes po.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Not so fluent po.
Okay, it's okay as long as you understand and you can communicate, then no problem. We don't need to talk fluent here also, yeah? So, are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your friends, is it your friends or your family members? Is it your mother, your father, your sister?
Cousins po.
Cousin. Okay, do you know which place they were designated?
No, ma'am.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I only have an eye problem.
Eye problem. What kind of eye problem is it?
It's a blurry eye po.
But you can see lah.
Yes.
Okay. So, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good morning. I'm Abigail Ferolin Mancera. I came from Davao City. I'm 33 years old. I'm a married. I have two children, which is 11 and 5 years old. I graduate in high school. I have my experience as a housemaid for 2 years here in the Philippines. I do a household chores like cleaning the house, ironing, washing, doing marketing and cooking.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. You are single or married?
Married mom.
You are married because in your profile it was stated that you are a single with live-in partner. So you are married, ah?
Separated.
Sorry?
Yeah, separated
Married.
mom.
Huh?
Married, separated po.
You are married but separated.
Yes po.
Okay, so when is your
Yes.
birthday?
April 21, 1991.
What is your height and your weight?
I'm 5'3", and I'm 61 kilos.
61 or 58?
58, ma'am.
50. Okay, focus in the camera, ate, please. So, what is your religion?
Baptist, ma'am.
You are Christian. What is your... Okay, you mentioned already that you are graduated in high school,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay. So, and you also mentioned that you got two children. So, who will going to take care of these children knowing that you are separated from your husband? Once you come to work here in Malaysia and you are a first timer,
My mother-in-law.
is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
A housewife and 64 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brother and 5 sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, or the third?
The six.
You are the sixth. Okay. So, in your by day, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place?
Here in Philippines.
In which place in the Philippines?
At Davao City.
How many years you work there?
2 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working?
May 2022 to June 2024.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment while you were working in Davao?
I do household chores, ma'am, like I'm cleaning, ironing, washing, cooking, and marketing.
Marketing. Did you take your children or elderly there?
It's a teenage, ma'am.
Okay, so most probably you only work for do the house chores only inside the house, right?
Yes.
Do you know how hard it is being a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are a first timer. You are a first timer, and frequently homesickness will attack you, how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I keep myself doing the household task like that, and maybe if there's a time to uh, like I don't know
You make yourself busy.
yes,
Okay, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. There is no such a
I'm
thing
hard.
that, sorry?
I'm a hardworking mom, and I'm willing to work, ma'am.
Okay. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. Any
Yes,
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences. Are you aware of it?
yes, ma'am.
You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. Are you aware that you are not allowed to use your phone during working time? But
Yes,
instead, you
ma'am.
can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. On your rest day also, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't want later that you give us trouble once you come to reach here in Malaysia and you will going to demand us about all these things. Okay? No such a thing because in the first place in our initial interview, you agree about all these things. Yeah? It's either
Ma'am.
you agree or you disagree, but if you agree it's okay, then you can come, then we don't have problem. If you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people to come here as long you are okay with our rules and regulations. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Are you okay to take your baby? Are you okay to take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What about elderly people? Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What foods you can cook?
Only Filipino recipes, ma'am. But I'm willing to learn
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden
in Malaysia.
patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all these things you are okay. I don't want later that there is an employer that who will going to interview you and then suddenly, ma'am, I am not keen to take your children, to take your baby. No such a thing, okay? I don't want that. Yeah?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So always remind yourself why you wanted to go work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to have a better future for your family, right? And for your
Yes.
own selves also. So this is not the Philippines. I always remind our workers and those candidates who wanted to come and work here in our country in Malaysia that we need to humble ourselves. In Philippines, we
Yes.
might be the boss, but in other countries, no such a thing. We don't need to bring the law of the Philippines and the law in other countries because every country's got different laws and they have their own rules and regulations. Just always respect the employer, follow the rules because you will be the one who will be working inside the premises for 2 years. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much and have a good day.